Okay, so this is my creamy pepper coconut leek soup. Basically, I sauteed some leeks, some bell pepper. No, not bell pepper. Excuse me. I use a different kind of pepper. This is a pepper that I used. Okay. Here it is. This is the pepper. Okay, fire roasted pepper. But I sauteed onions. I mean the leeks, shallots. What else did I saute? I didn't write it down. Oh, some celery. What else did I have? And then I didn't have. I basically used what I had to get some flavor in there. And then I added the turkey liquid that I had. And I added, I said garlic, right? And then I added the roasted bell pepper in there. And I cooked it. And then I added some mascarpone. I added some curry. Cumin, sumac. I always use that if I want to do like an Indian flair. Let's see what else. So umami. Gotta use that. I even put this in there. Ajika. Georgian. I don't even know where it's from, but what the influence is behind it. And then I put some nutritional yeast in it. Okay. That gives it nice flavor. And I blend it. I use a blender. I then strained it. Didn't have a sieve. I did this last night. And today I added more of the broth because it was really, really strong. But I wanted to soften up the flavors. And I added some broth, and then I added from the chicken from the same source. And then I added what else did I added? I am like so tired. I added I strained it. Oh, and I added a can of coconut besides the mascarpone. So, but when you, and then I squeezed some lime in there, and it curdled a little bit. So what I should have done was I should have waited to add the lime afterwards. Like when you're serving it, serve it, and then squeeze some lime on there and put whatever your garnish is. Use lime as a garnish. Don't cook with it because it'll curdle up. So I had to strain it twice. So, but the flavors are good. They're good. They're delicious. It's a little bit soupier than I would want it to be, but it's okay because I'm going to serve it with the rice and chicken. So, and it's going to be delicious. And then I'll show you what my fajita crostinis look like. All right.